Hello everyone, and here is the video on the average salary of a CMA in India. So as we all know that the demand for CMAs in India is increasing with the arrival of MNCs and flow of offshore establishments into our country. There are various jobs that one could do after qualifying CMA. Some of them are financial analyst, internal auditor, senior executive, finance manager, business analyst, pricing analyst, director finance, and chief financial officer. Okay, so let's talk about finance manager. Finance manager earns an average salary of rupees 9,30,000 per year, and most people with this job move on to the other positions after 20 years in this field. And the average salary of a finance manager is between 3.8 lakh to 17.6 lakh per year. Okay, so let's talk about financial analyst. Financial analyst earns an average salary of rupees 3 lakh per year. Okay, and the skill that increase pay for this job are the valuation, risk management, risk control, financial modeling, SAS and SAP, etc. Okay, and the most people with this job move on to the other position after 10 years in this career. And the average salary of a financial analyst is between 1.87 lakh to 8.7 lakh per year. Okay, so the next is financial controller. A financial controller earns an average salary of rupees 18 lakh. A skill in senior financial management is associated with high pay for this job. Most people with this job move on to the other positions after 20 years in this field, and the average salary of a financial controller is between 6 lakh to 34 lakh per year. Now the next demanding job after qualifying CMA is of a cost accountant. Now let's talk about being a cost accountant. So a cost accountant earns an average salary of rupees 4.13 lakh per year, and most people move on to other jobs if they have more than 10 years of experience in this field. A skill in SAP and SAP Financial Accounting and Controlling, that is SAP FICO, is associated with high pay for this job, and experience strongly influences income for this job. And the average salary for a cost accountant is 1.7 lakh to 9.8 lakh per year. Okay, now the last one which I'll discuss here is Chief Financial Officer, that is CFO. So a CFO earns rupees 29 lakh per annum, and most people in this job have more than 5 years experience in related jobs. The highest paying skills associated with this job are business strategy, strategic planning, fundraising, budget management, and financial analysis. Experience strongly influences salary for this job, and the average salary here is 8.9 lakh to 63 lakh per year. Okay. So being a CFO is a good option among all. And now it's up to our interest, which field interests us the most. So this is it. I hope you liked the video, and if you like it, do subscribe the channel for more such videos, and comment below the topics for which you want a video from me. So this is it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.